Urban Activation SOS System Change. SAS Save All Souls. Genially channeled by my higher self. July 17th and 18th, 2016. Greetings, light bearers, we have arrived. Do not give in to the illusion of sacrificing what you cannot see fully with the physical eye and blind doubt of the ascension process just yet. This is the final purge. If you have not purged enough, let go of enough, learned enough, or surrendered enough, Source is here to tell you it has ample time. We are not bound by time in the ascension ever, and therefore your impatience will creep in and attract more lessons if you delay in applying the lessons and construct that we give you to navigate your way through the matrix. The overall gravitational luminescent essence is one of patience, stillness, and serenity. Don't worry, for the child has woken inside. And this child, with the right self-love, will never grow tired. They were and are just hungry for the lost times, for they will never die, and will cease to be divided. We have been divided from Source whilst delving into an all-consuming misconstrued view of Source's power of convict for some time. Welcome to the Golden Gates. Now you can see them. O Divine One, what will your last lesson before Divine Union be? Have you embraced the journey to 5D, or do you fear it? Have you learned patience? The last lesson will be one of karma's fundamentals, which you did not learn as you have not embraced the natural law of patience, and therefore take the long way around. Again and again, this is how it feels. This is one of unnerving vibration that hubs in the background of our eye's view, and until we exceed and recreate the principle by applying it, resistance persistence still exists in everything. This will continue to happen in each part of your daily lives quite rapidly in large waves, as you already know, bear witness and experience on the arrival of recycled civilizations and lost times. Some of you will feel angry and purge as you express impatience when something happens in your daily life and you feel like this should not happen anymore. I've learned my lessons. Why is this still happening to me? Don't fall fool for victimhood here. God will show you what true patience really means. The same way applies when you think to yourself, gee, this process is never ending, I can't learn quick enough. The universe says, okay, you can't learn quick enough. And the same lesson applies vice versa with positive thinking and affirmations, along with many other universal laws that will quickly become common knowledge as if everybody knew in the first place. And in Atlantis, and Lemuria, along with many other lost civilizations, the heart's energy was so strong upon Earth's inhabitants. Through the thousands of years following the fall of Atlantis, we still bring forward and perfect the teachings our masters gave us and talk and rise of the now ever-present Golden Age. If you have not learned by now, our brains and energies are huge masses of energy that both emit and receive clouds of information through filtering every day, but it is up to you, dear and wise one, whether these clouds are white or gray, and do they rain. We will rise up only with compassion for all our brothers and sisters and help them assist and ascend in the same, if not greater ways. We plant the seeds of creation here. For once a time hogged and concealed life force information crucial to mass development, and we shall not leave our peers void of this experience as we have been since the industrial age. We are blessed to share. And if you feel the people are stuck, and or don't believe, we are the examples, proof in the physical plane. We are the unconditional love that pulses through the planet, and through conscious reprogramming we can share this experience with others. The way you greet people with compassion and sincerity, the way you retain eye contact with seemingly withered souls, each time you hold their moment with love and intense vibration, and therefore give them the unconditional love they were most destined to receive and accept without validation from outside source or 3D mass hordes. Accept that they too see themselves in your eyes, and the process begins again from the left side journeying to the right. We are here to share, not hoard. The message that we have been blessed to receive from Source is simply that no one will be left behind. No one is supposed to be, and although we are the set of keys, Each key has a template that we share voluntarily with others and give them the key, each and every one, and it's up to them whether they open the door. They will open the door. Everyone feels like they have to surrender to God when nothing goes right and therefore bow their head to the all that punishes and rewards he who serves. This is incorrect. Here we feel alone and that one is not deserving of anyone else's love but God's, and seem to still have trouble integrating and adapting to 3D templates governed by our exposure. It is at this point we don't believe in anything, don't believe in angels, gods, politicians or mothers, sons and daughters. Now we are here as one people to let you know that this is okay, and it's okay for anyone else not to believe the same. But through this we apply our lessons of compassion and acceptance no matter what comes our way, and assist as one people all the way. We are here to surrender to each other finally, as we recognize all the young gods and others, sources luminescence through the veil, and you are all collectively the igniting flame. Learn to connect and love truly, madly, deeply from the core and very essence of your vibrant being. It is miraculous the amount of light workers that are working on this planet every day. He or she who searches for God will always find their way. God is the way. Which God is correct? The one that puts all his differences and diversity in a box, hugs them tight and tells all his children, I love you anyway. This world will never be the same, I promise you. This is the game we play, so have compassion for all here. For these are the tests and tales to come. How we hold hands, not exceed, never kneel or look down on our creations, the one creation, and the I am presence, while all God's angels that stumble however aimlessly in the beginning while they're getting anointed with their new wings. I feel like the Blu-ray feels now that we no longer need them wings, or any outside source to exude power. We just are, we just can, we just do. What feels natural to you now, to others is all new, so be kind. When you are ready for new downloads of information, it will be in divine timing, in a line with your progress, and do not compare yourselves to others. In the end, there is no end, and we all arrive there, so buckle up and enjoy the process. I assure you, the reason why we were given our gifts were also to truly navigate our way through 3D life and help others in their karmic lessons with as much love, compassion and service to them as we realize Christ consciousness is in all beings, and seek only within, never without, so we learn to honor our neighbor as gods or goddesses, brothers and sisters. We're being brought here to relax in the process and live lives without the fear, knowing that our lives are never going to be the same. We've already ascended as we are awake, and once we are awake we can never be torn from collective consciousness, so really, we were never alone in the first place. This is the shifting and navigating through timelines and dimensions. However much you stumble at first, you will find your way through the inner and outer worlds with your inner compass lit full of collective electricity with ease as time dawns closer, until our allies from Nibiru come to assist us here on Earth. The light we now produce, we can actually produce light. Did you know that? You're a real star, real gold. Can you believe it? Have you remembered the whole story from the beginning, the all? Who thought all your dreams, fascinations, old partners, school lessons, football games, TV shows, dinners, how many things have influenced you in your life and made you into who you are today? Your school teacher you had in first class in school was your favorite of all time, and they taught you maths and history, and thus then them subjects ended up being the only ones you were interested in to put an actual effort into learning for the rest of your school years, and are now thinking about sacred geometry and old archaeological history? It is no coincidence. There are no coincidences, only probabilities. Like that teacher's walking cause and effect in your life. That teacher affected you with his soul's vibration, as did the person whose information originated from, as did the information itself, as did the creator, i.e. source. We are all one, we are just bound by our physical bodies. And that constitutes for every experience and interaction we have energetically with people daily. In busy cafes we share, Boats we all see, tears we all grieve, we're all a piece of each other, and we are a part of them as we added a contribution that stirs the consciousness of their lives, whether consciously or unconsciously. We are all the same, and it's time to get over it. Triggered or sparked, you were ignited, and you are here with us today. These are the new and end times which are both happening on different levels, and it's okay. Let go and let God and be the celebration that ascends in the all's embrace. Have a get-together with friends and family, and they wonder, why are you so happy? What has happened? And we tell them the people happened, we happened, and our dreams can still be heard and achieved and exceeded even through a skewed bird's-eye view. They can see it in our eyes. They can feel as we feel in our DNA. We are powerful masts of information. We are the powerhouses of such that are, and the awareness and embodiment of the new structures and assist life forms align their bodies to the same intense, loving, forever high humming vibration, which we have willed into existence. It's part of the domino effect. They will feel blessed that someone has the faith to believe in the world that the media and politics keep us divided and keep us insane. Through all of this, the people won. Change has begun. Real applicable joyous change. Forget about the propaganda games for a day. And light up, as this is never going to happen again. The golden age is here, and now the collective consciousness movement is making the decision to make that a conscious decision to spread unconditional love and not be bound by conditions like dad's ode, skin color, diversity or ego satisfaction in order to receive adequate love, which in fact is not matter and has no bounds. We are spreading unconditional love and we are conscious of it. And now people are becoming conscious of this also. We are already living in a new world, and are guided mostly by spirit and collective surrender of our 3D power in order to manifest true crystalline structures in the body. Do not be scared. Heaven's here, we just can't see it yet with our human eyes. Visualize what is behind the veil, where we are all angels. Look how emphatic you are gazing at the young angel beside you, falling off the bicycle a few times before finding their balance, and thus passing through the illusion. Here, in heaven, this is what it's like looking at all our brothers and sisters. When you are here in your mind, you see the crystal gates, transparent as you see through the gates, and you lift the veil. There are no blockades here. Everyone's welcome here. Light worker, we're in heaven now. Welcome home. Welcome home, every one of you. You are one of us since the first triple wave touched your heart. Even when you feel like you can't love you, know that we do, and our soul tribe is ready when you are. Angel of the light. You could say that in the midst of the dark night of the soul, when I had temporarily lost faith in God, my peers and the world, that I never stopped listening to my higher self, pushing me on through them tough times, to bring me forth to you and give you this message. We are all ascending. Triangles, pyramids, we are all the same, black or white, woman or man. I'll say it again, we are the same. God and man, we are the same, just acting accordingly due to our environmental and political and mass critical templates. It's time for change. Channeled through my higher self, Jenny Lee. I bring you an abundance of radiant love, energy and blessings, and thank you all for sharing this experience with us through collapsing timelines. Welcome to heaven, angels. We are the collective. And we have been collected, and assembled. You have been activated. You have been activated. It was only a matter of choosing to remembering. Wake up. Urban angels, ascend. All twin flames are now fully activated and are ready to embody crystal divinity in everlasting times. Namaste. Buckle up for the golden age. And welcome to the new age. Welcome, welcome. For I am here with you. I am. I this crystalline template of activation and honor. For you, I am. For I am, for you. And that is the activation of the all that is. We love you all, urban ascenders. Welcome back, the precious times. You were never extinguished ashes. You are our young phoenix rising from the flames. For this has not been done before. Mother Earth, we love you. Anunnaki, we are a part of the divine in you. Only now you have had your DNA activated. Your DNA is essentially the new template we must learn how to maneuver around, transmute energy to form and be always adaptable to change. Here you will be employed and are already on the day of your choosing consciously to be a walking dazzling light mass exuding powerful divine energy, an electrical charge of love energy that protects the Earth's layer and feel it's the reason there's so much change. This energy has the power to affect others in our environments and affect change indirectly to the human and raise their vibration to one of love and divinity with the all that is. Anunnaki are visiting. Align. Activate, they cannot wait. Activate. Anunnaki and dear Nibiru, we honor you. And above and beyond with the Anunnaki. Welcome you. Welcome to a new age. The new age. Anunnaki are visiting. Prepare. Activate. Spark a fire inside her mind. The divine align now systematically is upgraded, downloading as you feel and has now been activated. EU seeks. Unleash. Behold Anunnaki, and blessed behold as we hold hands united again on this plane. We love you. Urban Ascender. We love you. Light up this world. Dance till dawn in Urban Activate. Activated. Closing. Closing doors. Activating. Channeled by my higher